Aloha everyone, this right here is the Telsor 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Now this is technically compatible with Apple products. It can charge any iPhone that has wireless charging compatibility. It also has the ability to charge any Apple Watch with key charging, and it also has a little spot to charge the actual AirPods Pro or any AirPod models that have wireless charging compatibility. I like it because of the fact that I can charge my iPhone, Apple Watch, and my AirPod Pros all at the same time. So this is going to be catered towards the Apple market of customers. If you're an Apple customer who has these products, you might find this beneficial and convenient, especially being the fact that a lot of the newer phones don't have a power brick that comes in the box anymore. So this kind of gets rid of the middleman because this comes with a power brick inside the box with this charging station. Being 18 watts, that also means that it is fast charging compatible. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a fast wireless charger, so that all that means is yes, there's still wires that plug into it, but you can charge your iPhone wirelessly, just like this, if it is a compatible wireless charging iPhone. Now it is super convenient that it can be packed down and packed away and folded so easily. I mean, this is the size of essentially my pocket. You can fit this right inside of your pocket, inside of a backpack, in a purse, in the back seat, inside the glove compartment. This fits practically anywhere because of how compact it is. And all you need is that USB-C cable to plug into it, and now you have a very convenient and portable wireless charger. This light right here will also notify you if your phone is charging with a blue light. Does it need to be there? Totally unnecessary, because you can actually still see it on your phone if the phone is charging, or on your watch. Might be convenient if you got cracked screen and need to get your screen replaced and you don't know if your phone's charging. So I could see it there, but just plug it in at that point. But you also did see what came in the box. It comes with the wireless charger itself, a brick, a cable, a USB-C to USB cable, and of course some literature for you to go over. Beyond that, it's a pretty straightforward unboxing and review. This is a good product for the price. It does exactly what you'd hope it would do with any compatible iPhones that have wireless charging, any of the smart Apple Watches, and of course any AirPods or AirPod Pros that have wireless charging compatibility. But I'm going to keep it very simple and short. That is it for me, folks. That is the Telsor 3-in-1 wireless charging station that you can find today on Amazon. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. My name is Keli'i with Ohana Reviews. As always, mahalo, folks, and aloha.